for you guys. Woo, that's where all the action happens. Good old Eastern PA fishing, you're just getting tired. What is cracking, you fishing jamokes? Once again, it's your boy Eastern PA Fishing here, and once again we are on another fishing mission. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I lied. They are actually stocking the creek one more time. Hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe for more. Yeah, I can grab 2 of them.
Oh, healthy man.
How many did you get here?
Watch the poison ivy through here. And they're jumping around. Yo, I'll spread them out for you guys. Where do you want them? You want one right here? One right here? Four here. Yeah. Want one right here?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, man. I was here last time just waiting for them to put them in. They didn't spread them at all. Good luck, guys. Where's the next one at? Bell's Mill?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you guys there. Off to the next stock. You want this one?
Sure.
I'm coming right to you. Poison ivy.
I gotta climb over that now.
Put it in between you guys here. Good luck, guys. Enjoy them.
75, 65.
Thank you. Good luck today.
Following you guys down.
Hang?
Yeah, where's your guys' next stop? Round 3.
4 here. 4 bucks.
4. Want this one?
We're gonna do 6 here instead.
There's a couple big brownies in that one.
That was a big bucket. All for you guys. Whew. This is a big one. I think we're just gonna put it right here. Whew. That one was loaded. That one was loaded, dude.
Nice fishing that one.
Yeah, there's a lot of browns.
Yeah.
Man, it is an absolutely beautiful day to do some stock trout fishing. But today we are doing some stock trout stocking. Got the caravan behind me. We're on our way to the next spot to stock even more trout. This is crazy, guys. They just put in 6 buckets at the last spot. That is a lot of trout.
You been going in the water with that?
Yeah,
This is fishing that
I
run.
was gonna say,
yeah.
we're gonna put 6 buckets here because this is hard to get to for people that
Yeah.
you and me. So
Yeah.
if you want to walk down a little ways, yeah. We
Okay.
usually stop here and then just about another 100 yards.
Yeah, I'm
down.
all about that, dude. They don't
Yeah.
spread them out anymore.
Where there's a real nice, you'll see the run comes out this way and then turns.
Mm-hmm.
If you can go out into that run and get into that
Yeah.
fast water.
Yeah.
Okay, because
Absolutely.
the creek's a little warm.
You fish here?
I have. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say maybe that's why I was saying put 6
No,
here.
it's harder to get to.
Yeah,
I mean, so
no, that's
instead of
good.
putting, yeah, we want to put them at the parking lot so people have access to them. But for the guys that walk a mile,
Yeah,
let them have some fish too. You know,
I know where I'm gonna be fishing for a while.
we usually do here and then just down about 200 yards.
Yeah,
we only have
that's what he was
10
saying.
stops. You know, it's one truck. In the beginning of the year, we have 2 or 3 trucks. We put them all over the place.
Yeah. Getting some fish today, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna be sore tomorrow, I'll tell you that.
Thanks, man. I'm too old to hop down.
No, it's all good. We got it, we got it. Oh, soaking the GoPro. Little bumps and bruises along the way. These rocks are reckless though. Take that, it'll be good. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take them out.
Feel bad dumping them in the shallow stuff. There's a nice rainbow on that one.
I'm already soaked. Nah, man, it feels good.
I don't think today will need waders, you know?
No, definitely not. Last bucket for this spot. Nice brownies in this one. Whew. Golly, I don't know where I want to fish. I got to get one of those, man. Damn. Off to the next. Yo, could I get up there and take a peek in there with my GoPro? Yeah? Nah, I don't think so. Oh, I can't really see anything.
No.
That's where all the action happens, though.
People ask me all the time, how many fish are left in there? I mean, you tell me how many's left in there.
Lots of neat content for you guys today. Ooh, a nice brownie.
Thank you, young man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I drive all the way from Ticklersville to come here.
Oh, really?
We drove it, yeah.
Wow. Off to the next.
Looking like a nice cross.
Want me to grab that bucket for you? I know this is a little bit of a climb for me. Devil's Pool, pretty far down the trail. Jumped off of there a few times back in the day. You want some? Yep. Good luck to you, man. Yeah, I'll grab 2 of them. Yeah, I get 2.
Careful. Slippery.
Whew. Yeah, these ones are down here. Man, they couldn't have done it without me today. Some more freshies. Get these ones out here for you boys. There's a freshies sitting right there. Yeah, boy, load them up.
Oh, I think 400 or 500 trophies right now.
One more stop.
2 more.
You guys should be fishing.
Oh,
more?
I see you down here someday.
Yeah, what's your name,
My
dude?
name's Steve.
Steve, Sam.
Oh, I see. And your name?
Tom.
Tommy. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Hope I see you down here someday.
Hey.
For sure.
I'm down here maybe twice a week. Usually in the morning though. I
like
get
this
here.
spot.
I get here when the sun comes up. Fish till 10, and I'm out.
Little guys.
They were decent. They were decent. Worth fishing for, that's for sure.
Still down there?
Somebody's still down there, yeah.
His own private stock.
Doug would have been proud of this one.
I think this is the last spot we're stocking today. Good old Eastern PA fishing here is getting tired. This might be where I'm fishing today. He's on the other side. This is the last one then? One more?
You want to fish here?
Yeah, I might stop here. I mean, I'm already here, right? Get one upstream here. It's one hell of a stock, guys. Ooh, that's a good bucket too. That's another good bucket. Last bucket of the 2024 trout fishing season. Now I think we can finally do some fishing.
That first bucket I gave had some nice fish in there.
Yeah, I think I saw a couple brook trout in there.
Yeah.
Steve, nice meeting you, brother.
Same here. Same here. You know where they are now.
Yeah, I know where they're at. You're welcome. Thank you guys. Whew. This is a good stock. Well, time to go fishing. Well, everybody, we just biked close to 10 miles, I don't even know, and we stocked thousands of fish. So the fishing should be pretty good. What a fun day, guys. Let's see if any of my fresh stock trout are gonna bite. That was one heck of a stock. I still have a long bike ride home. Not every day you get to handle that many fish. I might not even catch anything here today. Honestly, I don't even care. Oh, never mind. We are gonna catch something today. Little brownie. Not a large fish by any means. What a fun little guy to catch. See if we can get some more. And there's another. Oh, smallmouth. They didn't stock these guys, but they're here. Second fish of the day. Not a stock trout. It's all right. We had our fun for the day. What a jumper, holy smokes. Ooh, he came off. That is all right with us. That was pretty sick. What the flying rock bass. Well, everybody, I think that's going to wrap it up for this video here today. We stocked thousands and thousands of trout here today. It was a great stock, and the fishing was pretty decent too. It should pick up over the next few days when these fish get acclimated to the water. But man, oh man, what a day. If you guys haven't ever had a chance to stock, go to the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat website. Right on there, they will tell you where they meet to do the stocks, and get out there and stock yourself some fish. There it is, everybody, stocking and fishing a creek. I hope you guys all like the content. If at any point in time you did, please scroll down below, hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe for more Eastern PA fishing here. You know what it is by now. Till next time, guys, stay safe, stay tuned, and always stay fishy.